2024 is about to end. RBI 2024 is also about to end. Interviews are going on right now. मैंने और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स ने ऐसा क्या सीखा 2024 में जो मैं आप लोगों को बता सकूं, और क्या 2025 में मैं और मेरे स्टूडेंट्स करना चाहेंगे. What have I and my students learned in 2024 and what do I want myself and my students to learn in 2025 to enable success in upcoming RBI exam. In 2024, I and my students learned one important lesson for RBI exam. That lesson is, there is no scope of any shortcut or any smart act in this exam anymore. The level of questions that I saw in phase 1 GK, especially from finance current affairs, made me realize that we need a comprehensive and well organized method of studying as well as teaching. मैं एक एग्जाम्पल देता हूँ. अभी 2024 एग्जाम ओवर नहीं हुआ है and students of 2025 exam are going bonkers about current affairs. Am I right? Now, a well-organized person would first understand that syllabus is limited. It is to be covered once, but current affairs is unlimited. Once you begin, you cannot stop it. It's like a black hole. Once you are in it, you cannot get out. But why do all students run after current affairs and not the syllabus? Because it's entertaining. It's new every day. It's not monotonous. But what does get results? Doing the important, boring, monotonous things. That's why I decided to stop current affairs after phase 2 of 2024 and begin it properly only once all of us have got command over the syllabus. मुझे ये करने में अपने खुद के स्टूडेंट्स के साथ almost 2 months लग गए. I meet them once every week and remind them that right now your priority is syllabus. After 3 months, your priority will be current. Remember, will be, not right now. तो अगर फाइनेंस करंट अफेयर्स पे कमांड लानी है और अच्छे से कवर करना है तो फाइनेंस के बेसिक्स आने चाहिए. यू कैन नॉट इग्नोर इट एंड एक्सपेक्ट सक्सेस एंड एक्सपेक्ट कि सक्सेस आएगा, वो नहीं आएगा. Let's talk about the second lesson that me and my students learned in 2024 and something I'm going to do in 2025 is to make, I've already started it, it's to make the right mix of studies, discussion on what we study, revision test where I can also teach the skills of getting to the right answer and teach the way to think while writing answers. These are important skills that apparently no one is talking about and no one is teaching because it requires time and effort. In 2024 exam, all of us realized that it is important to read, practice and take tests, but it is equally important to learn a new skill. The skill of getting to the right answer, the skill of eliminating options, the skill of applying your mind to choose between two right looking options, the skill of how to think when reading a question and its options, the skill of writing a good answer in 500 words. So these are the skills that I want, and I've already started this process through my weekly live sessions, my students to learn and understand that they are as important as writing the exam itself. The third lesson me and my students learned in 2024 is that RBI is not that exam anymore where one can study for 2 months and clear it. It used to be a peripheral exam some time ago, but not anymore. This exam has created its own identity and requires a student to be genuinely interested in finance and banking to be able to crack it. As we need dedicated preparation now, I'm working on some projects that can help students prepare smarter, harder and faster. As we set into a new year, I will be launching these initiatives one by one. To give you a glimpse, through my meetups with students in Delhi held recently, I realized that students need more good quality practice questions. So I'm working on an initiative to provide good quality and relevant practice questions to 2025 RBI students. Similarly, there are some very interesting new initiatives coming up that will help every student a lot. With these lessons and targets for 2025, I leave you all now as 2024 ends. I will see you soon with a new energy, with some new resolutions and with new initiatives. All the best. Hail and farewell to 2024, bon voyage to 2025.